Hi, I'm Hitomi. I'm a Nifty producer, and today I'm going to show you how to make a fruit and veggie pallet garden. This is a super easy gardening project, and really your main material is the pallet, which I found for free. I actually went to a local floral shop and asked if they had any extra, and sure enough I went to the alley and they had a stack of them, so I just took one home with me. This is great for having it outdoors as well as indoors. I've seen it where, you make this project and you could actually just lay it flat on the ground and it's almost like a raised garden, but I chose to kind of keep it upright because it visually is really pretty, and I chose to do herbs and veggies that I use pretty much on a daily when it comes to cooking in the kitchen. So it's super convenient to have in the kitchen. Also, it could be right outside your doorway and you could just hop on out and grab a little sprig and then bring it back in the kitchen. Vertical gardens are great for anyone that doesn't have a lot of space, especially if you don't even have a backyard. If you have a patio, that's a great spot to have it, but I don't have a backyard, so this actually lives right inside where, the sun does hit, making sure that these veggies could still grow, but really it is a good wall piece as well, so it's decorative and useful. Gardening is something I strive to be better at all the time, and I feel like small gardening projects are a good way to start. So for this project, I decided to plant vegetables and fruits, but I recommend doing succulents if you're a beginner. They are a lot easier to take care of. They don't need that much water. Succulents are beautiful to look at too, so it's like a win-win for anybody. When you're done with this project and you're going to mount it on the wall, make sure you have the right, what are they called? Bolts? No. Okay. So when you're done with the project, make sure that if you do decide to mount it on the wall, you have the right hardware, but you could also just lean it against the wall so it's not actually going to ruin the wall itself if you are renting, because that is a big issue. And if you don't have to necessarily mount it on the wall, again, you could lean it against the wall, you could lay it flat on the ground, and it acts pretty much as a raised garden bed. Vertical gardens are something that I've always been into. There's so many different ways you could hang plants on your wall, but it's something I found fairly easy, budget friendly. Pretty much those hit my 2 marks of gardening, and I got to customize it with the plants I like to have around me. Next time you see a pallet on the ground, pick it up, take it home. You could turn it into a garden.
No, I mean it's just a pallet.